Greetings of the day to all the viewers. This is Neetu Gupta. I'm a primary teacher in Modern School, Noida. Today, I'm going to tell you something about animal kingdom. There are more than million species of animals in the world, so it is not possible to study about each one of them separately. In order to make the task easier, we have classified the animals into different categories. The classification of animals can be on the basis of nature, habitat, feeding habits, and mode of reproduction. We'll take each one of them one by one. Classification on the basis of nature. The animals can be classified into domestic animals, wild animals, and pet animals. The animals that are reared for their use are called domestic animals. The examples of such animals are cow, goat, sheep, buffalo, and many more. The animals that are reared for pleasure are called pet animals. Some examples are dog, cat, rabbit, hamster, etc. There are some animals which cannot be reared. Such animals are called wild animals. The examples of such animals are tiger, lion, wolf, bear, etc. They are found mostly in the forests. Classification on the basis of habitat. Animals can be classified as terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, and amphibious animals. Terrestrial animals are those animals which live on land. Few examples are lion, giraffe, fox, elephant, and many more. Aquatic animals are those animals which live in water. The few examples of such animals are fish, octopus, jellyfish, shark, crocodile, etc. Amphibious animals are those animals that can survive both on land as well as in water. Such animals are frog, crocodile, snake, tortoise, etc. Classification on the basis of feeding habits. Animals can be classified as herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and scavengers. Herbivores are those animals that feed on plants. Few examples of such animals are giraffe, cow, elephant, and deer. Carnivores are those animals that feed on the flesh of other animals. For example, lion, leopard, hyena, polar bear, etc. Omnivores are those animals that feed on both plants as well as on flesh of other animals. Some of the examples of omnivores are chicken, humans, ostrich, dog, etc. Scavengers are the animals that feed on dead animals. The examples of scavengers are vulture, crow, raccoon, etc. Classification on the basis of their mode of reproduction. Animals can be classified as oviparous animals and viviparous animals. Oviparous animals are those animals that lay eggs. The examples of such animals are lizard, snake, crocodile, and all the birds. Viviparous animals are those animals which give birth to young ones of their own kind. Few examples are whale, dolphin, hippopotamus, kangaroo, and of course humans. So to sum up, again I'm telling you the animal kingdoms can be divided into different categories on the basis of their nature, habitat, feeding habits, and reproduction mode. On the basis of nature, animals can be classified into domestic animals, pet animals, and wild animals. On the basis of habitat, they can be divided into terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, and amphibious animals. On the basis of their feeding habits, animals can be classified as herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and scavengers. And on the basis of their reproduction mode, animals can be classified as oviparous animals and viviparous animals. Thank you so much.